G'day guys, how you going? My name's Jack and I'm going to do a product review of USN Hyperbolic Mass, which is this product right here. It's a 6 kilo tub. Basically this is going to be one of two videos. The first one, which is obviously now, is going to be just me explaining a little bit how I'm feeling after my first day. And then obviously the last one's going to be, all my results at the end of, I think it's about 20 servings. So, between 20 and 30 days of, how I'm feeling, if the product's worked, if it hasn't, if it's worth the money and whatnot. I'm sort of doing this review because, I wasn't able to find too many reviews online. There wasn't enough information for me to go, well, this is the best product in the world. So I thought, why not just test it out? I got it fairly cheap from a friend. Let me just start. Basically, the reviews I could find told me that chocolate was probably the worst flavour to buy, but it's out of all the products I've tested so far, it's probably one of the nicest chocolate flavours. I've only mixed it with water so far, so I haven't mixed it with milk, so I'm not really sure how the consistency is going to go there with obviously the two mixtures. But water and the protein shake's fine. I'm trying to build obviously mass because about a year and a half ago I got glandular fever and I dropped like 14 kilos in 2 weeks, so I haven't been able to put that or too much weight back on since then. I think I put like maybe 6 or 7 kilos on since then, and it's just sort of a struggle for me now to be able to gain that weight back. So obviously that's why I'm trying to use my use it to the best abilities, best of my ability. Sorry. There is one review by an American dude. That bloke was sort of talking about, how he gets a lot of energy out of it, how he is able to, push further in his footy, and his training's far better. But I've only tried it this morning. I woke up at 6 this morning, hit the gym. I took half a shake then, and that was quite fine. I didn't really sort of feel very much difference from my usual, just sort of like, whey protein that I usually take in the morning. So there wasn't too much energy, but obviously it's first day. We'll see how we go in the next week. I can already feel the gas coming on, like my stomach's starting to turn, and I've only had, after my workout I had 2 scoops, and I can feel the gas hitting me now. So that is a downfall, I'm assuming. It's just going to be the gas, and it's obviously going to get bigger and worse as the time goes on. Obviously when I said I only had two servings, I probably wouldn't push it more than 2 because I felt quite full after just 2 servings, and it felt full for about 20 minutes. So if you do want the full, obviously 4 scoops I think the servings is, I'd probably take it 20 minutes 20 minutes for 2, then another 20 minutes after that, so you get your protein. So the protein's obviously continuously going into your body. Or if you're tough and you got biceps the size of anacondas and you're Hulk Hogan or whatnot, go on, take the 4 scoops, I dare you. But I'm going to put some links down the bottom. I'll obviously put a link to the American guy, his video, so you guys can check that one out. I'll put some links to my bodyspace.com membership or page, whatever it is. And I'll put some progress report photos up there. I already got some, but obviously they're before I've taken the mass gainer. I'm not gonna. It's got creatine in it, so I'm just going to cut my creatine and just use the creatine that's in it. Hopefully that's alright. It does say to take 8 glasses of water a day, so I'm obviously going to be pissing a lot too. So but that's creatine in general. You should be drinking a lot of water. Anyway. I'll leave it like that, and I'll get back to you guys in about between 20 and 30 days. I'll just do a video response to this video so that you can have a quick link to it. Feel free to ask me any questions throughout the process. I don't really mind about answering any of that. It's good to share, and I hope everybody does well. And let me know if you guys do the same trial. It'd be good to hear anybody else going through the same pain. Alright guys, my weight training too, sorry, I'm gonna drop down to 5 sets of 5 reps of really heavy weights. At the moment I'm doing, as much as I can. I'm sort of stuck in a plateau at the moment, so I'm doing, 12 reps of, fairly heavy weight. but I'm going to try and like boost the weight up and drop the reps down to 5 or 6 at least, or at most probably, and try and boost my cells and my muscles a little bit more. But yeah, I mean, hopefully you obviously see the progress report and progress pictures in my body space account, which is below. But yeah, let me know if anybody has any questions or anything. Feel free to shoot me a comment or just shoot me a message or whatnot, and I'll answer it for you guys. But I'm looking forward to it. It should be good. The product is USN Hyperbolic Mass, so go out, have a try. If not, just give me 30 days and I'll let you know. Cheers, guys.